everybody, it's Sarah here from Millington Public Library. I'm going to show you very briefly how to use our learning kit for rocks and minerals. The rocks and minerals kit is geared for upper elementary through middle school, and it has a great set with actual rocks and minerals that you can touch and smell and see real close, and it's just really a great interactive kit. All right, so let's open this baby up, shall we? And remember that all of our kits are built the same way. They come with our binder of curriculum. They come with manipulatives. They come with suggested reading lists so that you can expand on what you're learning with more books, because who doesn't love more books? So this kit is again about rocks and minerals. So it comes with this amazing, fabulous rock kit here. So it gives you all these different types of rocks and minerals so that you can really experience them. I love it. It's fabulous. So we have that, and it came with a booklet of its own, so you can get some more in-depth details about the rocks and minerals that are in this specific kit right here. Okay, so here is our binder for the rocks and minerals kit. It is delightful. So we're gonna open it up, and as always, the first page inside the pocket comes with our suggested reading list of books that we have here in the library to support learning this subject. And then always the table of contents that's going to tell you what is inside this binder. And just a nice little reminder that anything that is in our kit that's laminated, it comes back to us. And anything that's not laminated, it gets to stay home with you. And it also has this lovely display that you can set up on a wall, on a table, anywhere you can that works best for your family. So you have your types of rocks. And then here's the 3 different types of rocks. So you can hang them up on the wall, set them out. And of course the layers of the earth, because what is the earth made of? It's just one big giant rock, right? Rocks and minerals textbook. So this is actually where we're going to get in depth about the information we're learning. And this is laminated, so this will come back to us. So it goes over everything. It tells us what geology is. It shows us the different types of rocks, tells us why they are different and what's important about each of them. Go through the rock cycle, right? Got to learn about erosion and weathering and all that good stuff. Here's more information about the rock cycle with a nice diagram to show you how it looks. And of course, there it is, the Earth's core. And about what's inside the Earth. I mean, hello, we're going to talk about lava, which means, oh my gosh, you could talk about volcanoes as well. That's amazing. All right, how hard are these different minerals, rocks and minerals? We got to learn about the hardness scale down here. Fabulous, wonderful, easy to understand information. And then here's a way to learn about investigating so we can figure out what kinds of rocks and minerals we're finding out in nature, right? Get outside, do some digging of your own, see what you can find. Here's how you tell. This is teaching you how to figure out what kind of rock you've got. And like I said, we have information in here that is not laminated, and that's stuff that gets to go home, it gets to stay home with you. Here's a nice little coloring book about the rock cycle. Color it. By the time you're done, you're spending more time with the information and materials. Fabulous. And then we have our final is this lap book. This is going to be the last piece of everything you do. And once you're finished with this lovely lap book, your child will have spent a lot of time with the material and will have a pretty decent grasp of rocks and minerals. So every kit comes with this plain manila folder, so that you can use it to make this lap book. And of course the manila folder stays home with you. So it gives you the whole directions on how to make this amazing interactive notebook with your kids. And it's all right there for you. It breaks it down. It doesn't expect you to know what you're doing. It's super handy. And of course, here are all the pieces for you. So that is what this kit looks like. I hope that was a helpful little dive into our rock kit. So come on in and pick up the Rocks and Minerals kit. You'll enjoy it for 3 weeks. You'll learn some new things. You'll get to use it for the rocks and things you find around here. Could be lots of fun. All right, thanks y'all. Bye now.